I'm Mike Bubbins, I'm a coach of Club Rugby Cymraeg Iaith,
Da iawn, Mali.
Played rugby all my life, started playing back in the 80s when it was like 4 points for a try and no one had any teeth. When my little boy wanted to start playing rugby about 2 or 3 years ago, and then as we found Club Rugby Cymraeg Iaith, I offered to help out with the coaching. Try to do as much as I can in Welsh. Kids help me with that a lot. If I don't understand something, I'll ask the kids what it is in Welsh, or I'll ask one of the coaches what that is in Welsh.
What's Welsh for offside, you know? Cam steady?
I try to use little phrases. I got one of these from the WIU, which is just a phrase book to help you with some of the stuff they use in rugby. If I'm not sure of it, I'll say it in Welsh, then I'll say what I think I'm saying in English.
Get up, pal, gyntaf. With the ball first thing is.
And it's amazing how wrong I get it sometimes, but I mean, the kids are great with it. I'd sort of say, arall llinell, in a line. And my son would say, you're not saying in a line, Dad, you're saying on a line. I've been doing it now for 2 years. Hopefully by the time he's playing sort of veterans rugby, when he's about 38, I'll be fluent.